Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, today is the release of the bug fixing updates, and of course they are available, as they call them, the preview update on Windows 10 that fixes a certain number of bugs. So if you go to your if you do nothing, well, they're optional for now, so that means they're not going to install today, but they will install with the next patch Tuesday in the month of June. If you want them now, you can go to your settings, go into update and security, and here you will have them appear if you go to check for updates. Now, if you, in my case, I will look at the update history, where this is where I'm going to show. So I had the cumulative update preview for Windows 10 that did appear today. May the 30th, and it's KB 5037849, and that's what you should be getting. Now, if you type the WinVer command for the Windows version, you will have the 19045.4474 available, and that will actually that's where you'll be in the build for Windows 10, by the way. You will have fixes for a few things here. One is about printer problems. There's some USB printer problems that have been fixed here, and when you delete them, sometimes delete parts of the driver might not be available. There's Twain driver fixes. There's a couple of error codes that could be appearing on some, depending on the hardware and what you're doing. You also have the Windows Management Instrumentation API calls that to shut down and restart the system that throw an access denied exception, and not much more. It's really a small list of bug fixes for Windows 10 actually. So on Windows 10 22H2, you are getting now, so build 19045.4474, which is where you should be if you are up to date. Once again, if you don't install them today, they'll still install, but with the June Windows Patch Tuesday security updates. So they are available to download for those that want them right away. If you have issues, you can do so. If you don't have, you can just wait. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.